Okay, in this video, I'm going to be showing you different colored food dyes in water. So the first one is, I think it's red or orange, red or orange. Do 2 drops. What the heck, it's not coming out. Oh. How do you do this? I'll try a different one. Same exact one. Alright, there we go. 2 drops. Put more. As you can see, get it out of the way so you can see it. It's about that. It's red. Actually, orange, yeah. Now, I'll dump this out. Oh man, this thing's all yellow. Okay. Now this one's gonna be blue. As you can see, pretty dark. Looks almost yellow. I mean, yellow, purple. Pretty cool. See? Hold up one sec. Alright. That's about it. It's not working.